My name is Lina, and today we are going to do banana pancakes. So the ingredients are a banana, one egg, a half cup of oats, oil, yogurt, and if you want, you can add a teaspoon of cinnamon. The cookware is a fork, a bowl, and a frying pan. Okay, so first, in a bowl, crush the banana with the fork. And then add the egg. And the oats and mix it. So in this moment you can add the cinnamon if you want. Okay, this is the mix, and after mix all the ingredients you can add a little oil in the pan and let it heat to cook our recipe. Okay, now add a little of the mix into the frying pan and making a circle and let it cook for about 3 minutes per side. Finally, this is the pancake, and you can add yogurt and eat.